Hey everybody, this is Kim Seaver with Hot Pepper Communications. We specialize in writing, editing, and social media management. You don't have to go far this time of year before you hear someone bemoaning the demise of Christian Christmas. You'll hear such phrases as reason for the season and put Christ back in Christmas. One particular complaint that seems to be common is the use of Xmas. The way Christmas defenders explain it, secular society has denigrated Christmas so much they have even removed the word Christ from Christmas and replaced it with a generic X. Here's why that's false. Xmas has actually been in use since the 1750s, and earlier versions of the phrase, such as Xmas and Christmas, were used as early as 1551 and 1100. 1,000 years ago, the word Christ was often abbreviated as XP or XT, a nod to Christos, the Greek word for Christ. In fact, the term Exian and Echtian once stood for Christian and Echtianity for Christianity. This abbreviation, of course, extended to the word Christmas, as well as many other words, and even names with the word Christ in them. So in reality, Christmas has never taken Christ out of Christmas. It's kept it in for centuries. What did you think of my video and the points I raised? Let me know in the comments. You can follow me online at hotpepper.ca or on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.